Catastrophe in just seconds. A semi-truck crushing car after car, captured by a driver on the Texas interstate. Only the collisions kept coming. The icy roads creating an early morning nightmare. A pileup of more than 130 vehicles, sending 65 people to the hospital and leaving 6 others dead.
Roads and yards still covered in ice and snow. Upwards of 200 homes without power since Sunday.
Concern right now are these rolling outages, these periodic blackouts that have been going into effect since early this morning. That leaves up to 2 million Texans without guaranteed warmth for what looks to be an incredibly frigid night ahead. As you mentioned, the entire state, for the first time in weather history, under that winter storm warning.
I'm back with another video. What's up, y'all? We are on home time, and right now we are in our apartment. Pull out bed pulled out in the front. I'm gonna actually start cooking breakfast. So I was like, well, let me take y'all along cooking some breakfast, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna make some strawberry pancakes. So I already cut up some strawberries and I put them in a food processor that we have. Yes, we have a food processor. It's cold through the mug, so we got the oven open, trying to get some heat up in here. Okay, I'm gonna make some eggs, some bacon, some sausage. So yeah, y'all, don't judge us, okay? We've been eating good, but today we was like, it's a cold day, we want a big breakfast. Y'all say hey to Bun.
I need toothpaste, y'all.
Yeah, he trying to brush his teeth. It's on the oh wait, no, it's in the bathroom. Y'all, so this, I'm just, you know, taking y'all on my home time. It's right here.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah. The maintenance people been up here today because our AC stopped working last night. It is so freaking cold in here right now. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'll take y'all throughout our day or throughout this day of our home time, y'all. But have y'all see downtown Dallas right now? Do y'all see downtown Dallas? Crazy, okay? Crazy. Say hey. Say, what's your name?
Ava.
Your name Ava?
I dropped my shoes.
You dropped your shoe? Okay. How old are you? Huh?
3.
You 3? Oh, you a big girl. Me and Vaughn ain't been on home time in a long time. So I was like, let's do a home time vlog. And if y'all don't know, I'm from Dallas. And if y'all don't know, it's snowing really, 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 really hard outside. But yeah, so we finna get ready to go outside, y'all, and enjoy the weather. You ready for to go outside to the snow? You gotta put your other sock on. Right now, we're spending time with the family. If y'all don't know, I'm finna show y'all what it look like outside. If I can open up this door. Oh, wow. Just in case y'all don't know what outside look like, let me show y'all. Y'all see that right there? Yo, we finna go to the backyard and enjoy the weather, the snow, because their backyard is completely untouched. It's gonna be amazing. You putting on your socks? No.
Oh, your phone's still recording. Yeah.
Wow, it's been recorded the whole time?
Yeah, basically.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So right now I am in my trailer. As y'all see, I am wrapping boxes. Excuse my face, y'all. My little pallet jacks or whatever. This is my bulkhead. This is what I'm doing, so I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what I'm doing. Y'all see this? I'm gonna move this pallet, put it over here with these other pallets, and then this is a pallet I had to separate some more pallets in the back. So this is what I be doing, y'all. I don't ever really show y'all, so I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna show y'all. To do is, I'm gonna move this pallet out the way. I'm gonna push this pallet over here, move this pallet right here, and yeah, pretty much getting everything organized.